Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the Audi R8 front view. First, let's lay down the foundational shapes. Start with a broad, low rectangle to define the car's overall stance. Then, draw a light vertical line down the center and a horizontal line across to help keep everything symmetrical. These initial guidelines are crucial for getting the proportions right before we add any details. Finally, sketch out where the prominent grille and sharp headlights will sit. Now, let's bring out some of the R8's signature features. Carefully refine the large, hexagonal shape of the front grille, which is a hallmark of Audi's design. Next, focus on the headlights. They are narrow and stretched horizontally, often featuring distinct LED daytime running lights. Don't forget to add the famous four-ring Audi logo right in the middle of the grille, ensuring it's perfectly centered for that authentic look. Moving on, let's sculpt the R8's dynamic body. Outline the aggressive front bumper, paying attention to the lower air intakes that give it a sporty feel. Next, define the hood, which is quite short and almost flat, leading into the base of the windshield. Finally, add gentle curves to the fenders. These curves are essential for conveying the R8's wide, low, and powerful presence on the road. To complete your Audi R8 drawing, start by carefully erasing all the initial sketch lines, leaving only your refined outlines. Then, it's time to add life to your drawing with shading and highlights. Use varying pencil pressures to create depth and volume, making the car appear three-dimensional. Pay attention to how light would reflect off the metallic surfaces for a realistic finish. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Your support helps us create more drawing tutorials like this one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.